Hi there, it's Jodi. Welcome to episode 23 of Tuesday Tips. Today I'm going to show you a background technique. It's an ink pad swipe. So specifically, it's how to do this background here. So quick recap before I jump into that technique. My free card kit in the mail this month features the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. So all the cards are made with this bundle here. When you order this, place a $50 order using my host code, you're going to get supplies in the mail from me to make these 4 cards. You'll get all of the consumable supplies. You provide your stamps and ink and dies. And then you'll get an email from me with a PDF tutorial. You also get a special bonus this month of coordinating designer paper. So this is one side. All of our papers are double-sided. So this is the other. So I'll set that aside. But like I said, what I wanted to spend some time today showing you is really a very easy technique, but I just love the different look that it provides. So we're going to focus on this card here, You Make Me Happy, and the background of the card here. So it's got a thick white card base, and then I just took another layer of basic white to do this ink pad swipe. So let me go ahead and pull in just to remind me to do this video. So then I'm going to use Granny Apple Green, Daffodil Delight, and Magenta Madness. This is a retiring color, so if you don't have this one and want it, make sure you get your order in sooner rather than later. So I'm going to start with Daffodil Delight. The reason is because that's the color, I just stuck that in the ink pad a little bit. That's the color in the middle, and so I want to start with that middle color first. So I'm just simply going to take my ink pad. This does get a little messy, but I think it's worth it. I'm going to take my ink pad. I'm holding onto the cardstock down here. I'm starting kind of up off on the scrap paper a little bit, and I'm just going to take it, set it down, and drag it all the way across. Now you saw my cardstock move a little bit. That's why there's that extra spot there. Let me do it again. And that's not bad. I mean, it definitely adds some character. Let me do it again and try not to move my cardstock and just get one clean swipe. So it totally depends. Like, I don't think I could do it the exact same way twice, even if I was trying. It really just depends on whether or not you move, if it's one continuous swipe. Depends on how much pressure you apply. There's a lot of variables, and personally, I think that's what makes it fun. So you can just play with it. Like I said, I did the same basic technique on all 3 of these, and they're completely different from one another. So I'm just going to keep playing and show you how I did the rest. So I'm going to take Magenta Madness next. This one I'm going to do in this top right corner, and I kind of want to look at the side a little bit and try to line it up to minimize the white space. Now, a little bit is fine. If that bothers you, you can just keep playing and do it again. You'll get the hang of it the more you play. And again, just different pressure, how you do it. There's lots of variables. The last one is Granny Apple Green, and that's going to go down in the left corner. But what I'm going to do, just so I can see it better, is flip it this way. I'll scoot down a little bit on my scrap paper so I don't get in the other ink. Take my Granny Apple Green, and I'll start again. I kind of bend down, look at the side a little bit, and just pull that down. So that's all it is. It's literally swiping the ink pad on the white cardstock to get a background. It'll look different every time. There's white space in different areas, but I think that abstract artistic flair is what makes it fun. So just play with this, use different colors. Different color combinations are fun to try. You can do more colors if you wanted to, bigger pieces, lots of variables. Just have fun playing with it. It's an easy way to make a fun and unique background with ink pads that you already have at home. So I'd love to see what you create. Always feel free to share it here with me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.